Hello everyone around the world, welcome back. So what we have today we don't have repair, we have like bad news. It's very unfortunate, bad things happened at my workshop. We received like very heavy rains, and a lot of my workshop devices got stricken by lightning. The situation is very bad, and I lost like two TVs with 32-inch and 43-inch. I lost uh, my Wi-Fi router. I lost one of my inverter, because I'm using uh, inverter at my workshop in case if I don't have electricity, I should not stop working. So I have a solar system for backup, and I'm using a 1 kV inverter. I lost that inverter. I lost the most stressing thing is I lost this guy. You know this guy? You see this guy? That is our microscope camera. It's gone. So that was my router which I was using. The router is gone. This chip is blown up. This chip is blown up. The CPU is shorted, because I check here we have the EPROM. If we check pin number 8 to ground is shorted, and if you come with some amps, the CPU is gone, and you can't fix this. This is like $25-30. Already I found a replacement for this, so here I don't have too much stress. On the TVs, I open the TVs, I try to check um, what is the fault, and the processor is gone. On both TVs, same fault. CPU is gone. I replace it with another motherboards. The TVs are fine. What is the challenging? The challenging thing is now the microscope camera, because this is, you remember when I bought my microscope initially, my microscope came with this camera. This is a 2K 1080p camera that came together with the microscope when I bought it for the first time. And then later on, I decided to upgrade. I moved from 38 megapixel to this 4K Ultra HD camera, which I bought later. And this was working great. You can see my videos when I'm working under microscope. I have no issues with this camera, but this was also affected by lightning. Uh, how I was connecting this to the computer, I was using USB Type C cable from here to the computer, uh, and it was detecting when I opened the OBS software. It was detecting USB-C cable, and I was able to add this camera to the OBS software. But now, let's put the USB-C. Maybe you can see what I'm trying to say. Plugging the USB-C, you can see this light. This is a whitish like light. This is the way how this was powering on. This light was changing from purple, sort of, to blue. When it changes to blue, um, it means that it's being detected by the PC and also the software, which is the OBS, which I'm using. But in this case, it's stuck on purple, on this purple color, and it's a very big disaster because I can't do videos anymore. And the thing, I can't go back to Egypt and use this camera. I don't want to use this 2K camera anymore. So we only have one option here. In order to continue these videos, we have one option. And the option that I have, because I was checking from all the suppliers and I found something which I have to order. And I have to order uh, it as soon as I can. Because the thing is, the supplier, on the shipment method, there's no FedEx, there's no DHL, so that I will receive the package early. There's only AliExpress standard shipping, which is taking like 5-6 weeks. That means it's going to be a disaster because I'm not going to upload anything until maybe Christmas or towards Christmas. As soon as I receive the camera, I'll upload a video. So what I found, if you go on desktop, I found this. I found this camera, which is Mechanic Moss 8K Industrial Microscope HD Sony model IMX6781. Yeah, this looks like it's a great microscope camera. 8K. I don't know if this 8K is real, considering the price that this is going for 123 US dollar, and the shipping is $17.65. And if you check on the shipping method, there's no DHL, there's no FedEx. I contacted the seller. He said we can only ship this to your country via AliExpress standard shipping, which is going to take some weeks. And we are at a point when the videos got stuck because I have to produce quality videos so that you see everything. But maybe um, this happened because it's time for an upgrade. Who knows? Maybe that was the right time to move further. Because we started with 2K, we started with a 2K. From 2K to 4K, now we are going to 8K camera. Uh, so I think uh, everything happened for a reason. So here, I didn't open this thing. I didn't open this camera because I was so stressed. I can't show you what I'm really fixing under microscope anymore. My microscope is working. I can do my work normally, but the thing I can't show you because there's no more camera. If you check on the microscope, it's black. There's nothing to show. So let's open here and see. Maybe we can be lucky. We can be lucky here to see to fix this and come back to the game. But the thing is, whatever faults that I shall see here, I don't think we are going to fix. So that the inside, here we have this flex cable which is connecting this camera with this PCB board. What we can do, let's take out this cable. Let's disconnect here. We have few more screws inside this. Let's try to take out the board. Yes, it's pretty bad. It's pretty bad, but there's nothing that I can do. Usually, I'm disconnecting everything on power source when it's raining, but I didn't expect like to have such a kind of destructive uh, rainfall. And I forgot to switch off all my devices. Lucky my CPU is still working. That's the lucky case. We still have a working CPU. So that's the board. We have the HDMI, the USB-C, and we have this control panel, control switches. Uh, can you see the board? Let's take out this. So here, this board separates like this. So now we now have two boards. So let me connect this here. Here I can't feel anything. Here we have the wind bond. This is the BIOS chip. We have some capacitors around this. Let's check those capacitors. Good, good. Two capacitors. They are reading a short. I wish you could see this on a microscope, but the thing is, let's go with 1 amp. The thing is, we can't use this microscope anymore. Yeah, it's taking 41 milliamps, and this is ground. Okay, it's taking 1 amp. Here is taking 281, 280. Let's lower this voltage, maybe to 0.8 volts, and it's taking 160. So with 0.8, we have some ceramic capacitors here. We have some ceramic capacitor next to the CPU. With the 0.8, it's taking 169, and something is taking that current. Trust me. I want to take out the heat sink. I want to take out the heat sink here. This is just a trial. Otherwise, I don't think we can do anything. That is CPU. I'll use the thermal camera. I want to supply that voltage here. I'll release. We have to feel what is taking that current. Okay. So let's see now. Let's connect this cable, the USB-C. Still stuck on purple color, but it's not supposed to work like this. It has to change from purple to blue. It will flick 2 times from purple and it will switch to blue. That's how this camera was working all along. But now it's stuck on purple. It means we have a big problem. And the CPU is getting very hot. You can't even hold it for a long time. So that's the end of the story. That's the end of story, and I'm very disappointed because this is going to drag us back. Uh, I shall try maybe to do some theory, to go back and do some videos explaining about how uh, the theory side of electronic repair works. We'll speak about phones repairs. We'll speak about laptops on the beginner side because this is a moment maybe to acquire some little bit of theory. It's getting very hot about how motherboards are working while least waiting for the 8K camera. Yeah, here I can't do anything. I can't do anything. Uh, the 4K camera is gone. That's pretty bad. It's pretty bad, and I don't even want to see this model anymore. Because to my surprise, this camera was connected using this same USB to the computer. The computer is still alive, but the camera just got stuck. Uh, I think overcurrent or the lightning that struck this microscope camera did not come from the CPU side, came from the TV side, because I have another TV that side on top. So I was connecting HDMI cable here to the TV so that sometimes I'll switch to the HDMI for bigger visual inspection when I'll be seeing small components on a big screen, 43-inch TV. The TV is gone, the camera is gone, uh, my router is gone. That's bad. So, guys, I will see you for proper repairs. I'll see you December. For proper repairs, I'll see you December. But for other lighter things, maybe some theory explaining here and there, yeah, we'll try to upload few videos while waiting for the camera, because I'm going to order this camera straight away tomorrow. We don't want to spend too much time without speaking to you guys. So yeah, just be patient with me. Just be patient with me. I know this is bad news, and no one was expecting this to happen. But all of a sudden, when things want to happen, they just happen unexpectedly. This came like funeral. No notice, no anything. Boom, things are gone. So yeah, that's the thing. I'm disappointed. I'm very down to earth. This microscope camera frustrated too much because uh, I didn't expect this to happen. So if you are a technician, uh, at least from this video you can learn something, especially when it's raining. Just disconnect all electronic devices from power source. Otherwise, you might be having a serious problem like the one which I have right now. Using a 2K camera is a thing of the past. Let's not even talk about this, because if you check on the channel, all my old videos was a shame. Before OBS, everything was a mess. So I don't want to go back there. We want to try to come with something better than 4K. Remember, we're in a journey to professional repairs, so I can't go back and use a 2K camera anymore. So let me know what you think on the comment section, and this is the good time where I'm waiting for miracles. Maybe there's someone who is going to get touched with this video and you want to donate the camera. Please, if you want to donate the camera, under the description I'll leave a address and all the details so that you can post the microscope camera for the continuation of our videos. But trust me, this time I want a better camera, and I'm sure this is going to be a better camera, because I checked even on YouTube on the review. It seems to be something that is beyond what I was using. So see you next time. Bye bye.